Hi, my fellow English learners. What are you up to? Hope you are doing well and happy. English for beginners. Record yourself. Day 4. Today's topic is food and drink. So you can talk about anything related to food and drink, like what is your favorite dish, or what is your favorite cuisine, or what is your most memorable meal that you've ever had, or you can talk about the food culture of your country, something related to food and drink. So try to record yourself talking about food and drink. So I'm gonna talk a little bit about food and drink. So let's see what I can talk. So here I go. Usually I cook for my family, so sometimes I try new recipes. By the way, mostly I cook rice and curries, and also some kind of some other Sri Lankan recipes, because that is our culture, that is our tradition that we got used to eating. That's why. But I'm in love with eat out with my husband, so sometimes we do it. So yeah, we try to do it as much as we prefer, because otherwise we get bored with eating homemade food. That's why we do it as much as we can. And that's why I can't point out this is my favorite dish or that is my favorite dish, because I'm in love with eating various type of foods. So especially spicy dishes. In that sense, South Indian spicy dishes are cherry on top. I think no need to explain how yummy they are, because I know every one of you have tried them, have tasted them at least once in your life, because it's so famous and so yummy. That's why I think spicy dishes are my favorite cuisine. I think so. I like making spicy dishes and eating spicy dishes. That's why. So I want to tell you what is my most memorable meal that I've ever had. I think it's Korean spicy noodles, because once my husband bought me some Korean spicy noodles, and ever since I'm in love with eating them. But unfortunately it's not that common to find here in Sri Lanka. So when we visit abroad, I won't buy nothing but Korean spicy noodles. I'm in love with eating them. So yeah, that's all for now. Try to record yourself talking about food and drink, anything related to food and drink, and yeah, improve yourself. Try to improve your speaking skills in English. So see you soon, and thanks for watching. Bye.